Soigao. The area is located at a distance of 30 km from the city of Guwahati in Assam. Soigao is famous for its history. The region is rich in education, culture, sports, art, and other aspects. Soigao area is proudly home to Hindus, Muslims, and a small number of Christians. Soigao is an area where children are born in a healthy environment in all aspects of culture, literature, spirituality. Here the government pays as much attention to education and health as the society has an impact on the overall development of children. The health department provides vaccination, vitamins, and health checkups, counseling, family planning methods, and other services at the nearest primary health center on the 9th of every month. They also do routine health checkups often to pregnant women, infant and child as well as adolescents, health-related services to pregnant women, infant and child as well as adolescents. After birth, most families fulfill the same responsibility as parents in providing a healthy environment for a child. I am trying to show you some scenes through a lullaby that most children in Assam hear from their mothers.
Amare moina huboe barite bokori ruboe barire bokori poki hori jabo moinai butoli khaboe amare moina huboe barite bokori ruboe barire bokori poki hori gole moinai butoli khaboe. हियालिए नाही बिराती तुरे काने काती लगा में बाती हियालिए नाही बिराती तुरे काने काती लगा में बाती कान काटी मोरते मोरार फूल कान काटी पाले गई रतनपुर कान काटी मोरते मोरार फूल कान काटी पाले गई रतनपुर amare moina huboe barite bogori ruboe বাড়িরে বগরি পকি হরি যাব মইনাই বুতলি খাবই আমারে মইনা হুবয়ে বাড়িতে বগরি রুবয়ে।
After growing up in a suitable environment, children in rural areas start schooling. Schools are currently teaching in Assam as per NEP 2020 rules and regulations. Training is being given to teachers in every school to prepare them to teach in line with the new education policy. I visited various schools for the assignments given by NERIE and noticed that the government of Assam has already provided suitable furniture for the children, and the children have started their educational career happily in a safe home environment. The schools are trying to develop children in all aspects, and the society also provides various platforms for children to showcase their talents. The Khel Maharan launched by the government of Assam has given an opportunity to any child in rural or urban areas to showcase their talents. These children are well developed culturally, receiving such facilities in society from an early age, and they grow up in a cultural environment. We all know that the side effects of mobile phones are very high now. Most of the children in rural areas can still be seen playing with nature's objects. Therefore, I have been visiting many schools for the past month and holding parent meetings to tell teachers and parents about the current education system and its benefits, as well as trying to explain to provide a healthy home environment during pre-primary school. Anand and Unmukh has been translated in collaboration with NERIE and NCERT. NCF-FS has been translated in Assamese. Theme-based activity book for teachers have been prepared. Home activity calendar for children to give guidelines to parents has been prepared. Now, Jadui Pitara is going to contextualize from the month of December. Curriculum for 6-month certificate course for Anganwadi workers has been prepared by SCERT in collaboration with WCD department. Now, diet facilities have been working as resource persons for imparting training to supervisors who is giving training to Anganwadi workers for 6 months certificate course in collaboration with WCD department. State district level first phase ECCE training completed. Target group CRCC SKRP teacher to follow up the training. After the training, all the teachers who take class in class training had done internship in their respective schools. Now second phase training will be held in the November 2024. Workbook for class training, fundamental literacy, fundamental numeracy, and beginner's English has been prepared. 5 teachers' handbook is prepared.